Have you ever felt that making money as an affiliate marketer is difficult and even impossible? You've tried everything and nothing seems to work? I'm Linda Tremor and I completely understand. I've tried everything too. I've often thought, wouldn't it be nice if someone wrote a book about making money as an affiliate marketer and gave it to you for free? Well, Dean has done just that. Everything you need to succeed as an affiliate marketer can be found in Dean's new book, The Iceberg Effect. He breaks down in this book the exact steps to building a profitable affiliate marketing business in 2020. So just click the link to get the exact steps to creating the life of your dreams with affiliate marketing. If you'd like to see what his book is about, you can find the complete review on my blog. This book could change everything for you. It's free. You only pay for shipping. So click the link and you'll be glad that you did.